Welcome back. In this session, we're going to see how to write variable expressions when comparing quantities. Let's see what our helpful hint has to say. It is a good idea to let the variable expression represent the quantity to which things are being compared. When writing expressions, remember that math symbols are not always written in the same order as they are read in the statement. Now let's read the problem. The width of a piece of wood is 3 inches shorter than the length. Define the variable expressions for the length and the width of the piece of wood. Now let's look at our problem carefully. We have the width of a piece of wood is 3 inches shorter than the length. The first thing you have to decide is, what are you going to let your variable represent? Are we going to let it represent the width or the length? The problem is usually a lot easier to do if we let the variable represent the noun that we're referring to. And here we're comparing the width to the length, so we're going to let the variable represent the length. The length. And you can let it represent any variable you want, but I like using the letter L because it reminds me it's representing the length. So we let our variable represent what we're comparing to. Now we have to find a variable expression for the width. So let's look at the statement. The width of the wood is, we translate is to equals. Now we have 3 inches shorter than. That means we're taking 3 away from a number. And what are we taking it away from? We're taking it away from the length. So let's double check. The width is 3 inches shorter than the length. Sometimes when we translate, the numbers don't appear in the same order that they appear in the statement. And we need to be careful about that. We also need to be sure that we actually write out and define our variable expressions. Now try a few problems.